All right.
Let me switch.
Words cannot describe how I feel. I'm so delighted. I feel honored. I'm grateful to Davido. I didn't even know he was the person that made me to understand that. I didn't know he could have called it to me, confessed to me that thing. Kind of, I mean, controlled me. I felt so happy about it.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
Oh, you can judge that from my facial expression. But that is it. Yes, I'm going to show you. David. CP. That's it. Great, man. Great. Iconic shit.
I'm top, I'm telling a chat top. On my Spotify top 100.
Why we are great different.
How many days did you take to shoot because of English video?
Because of English video, about the shooting, about 2 days, 3 days. Then separate almost 1 week for editing. Crazy. Good. I swear. So what's going on here? This is classic. Huh? You don't see as soon as they're fresh?
I swear.
So as soon as they're fresh, I got the fresh too.
Zigima. I swear. It's like coconut. Yes, sir. Let's clear. Sorry.
You know they're baking. You know they're baking.